Hi, today I'm going to talk about the future of design in the age of AI. The age of AI has arrived and it has started to impact all aspects of business. The hiring has come down, the companies have become a little cautious with the hiring because they don't know to what extent AI is going to play a role in their business in terms of enhancing the systems or managing the processes. This doubt is reflecting in the job market as freshers and even experienced professionals are not finding enough opportunities today. But as we are speaking, the job market is slowly getting revived. That's what I feel. Many job openings are getting posted on social media as well as other job portals. Definitely a revival is on the way. Now let's talk about the design field. When compared to other areas like content writing, coding or customer servicing, design field isn't hit as hard by AI. But there is a palpable fear in the minds of designers and design aspirants. Whether AI will take over the creative jobs too. Will they find only fewer opportunities in the future? Well, this is what I truly believe. Design will always remain a human-centric field. And let me explain this with a simple example. Supposing you want to start a business, say a cafe. You want to put up some posters talking about your highlights, about the food you serve there. You want to create a menu and then you want to choose some wallpapers, the right colored furniture to go with the environment. Would you go with a designer or you choose an AI tool to create all this? AI can create all this but in a very generic way because it will not know what kind of emotions you want to evoke in your customers when they walk into the cafe. And it will not know the story behind your brand, your values, your vibe. And it won't know what parts of the menu should catch the customer's eye or to subtly change the perception of your brand. Because great design isn't something how you make things look, it's about how you make people feel. This is something only a human mind can understand totally. Now take coding for example. AI will have a much bigger impact there because the primary goal is logic, speed and execution. But design is about emotion, connection and perception. And that's where AI still falls short. Sure, AI can assist. It can generate new ideas, speed up your workflow, or maybe even create a quick layout. But will it be able to tell your story through designs? Will it be able to evoke the right kind of emotions in your customers? Highly unlikely. But wait, am I saying the designers can relax and stay comfortable now? Absolutely not. In fact, I'll say the opposite. Designers have to level up now. If you have to stay relevant and thrive in this new era, you have to do few things. Number one, embrace AI. Because in the near future, AI knowledge will not be optional, but it will become a basic necessity for all professionals, and that includes designers. I said AI will not replace designers, but designers with AI knowledge will definitely replace designers without AI knowledge. That's the reality. Number two, think beyond tools and aesthetics. Think like strategists, think like storytellers. Because good design isn't just pretty, it positions a product to truly connect with people. Number three, learn motion graphics. The future of design is in motion. Static visuals are no longer enough. Be it a simple micro animation on a button or a parallax scroll on a website or an eye-catching reel on Instagram, movement captures attention. Motion graphics brings design to life. Number four, develop cross-disciplinary skills because the designers of tomorrow won't just fit into one box. They'll be the hybrids. They'll know how to blend creativity with versatility. For instance, graphic designers who has UI skills, UI designers who can create motion graphics, UX designers who can think like product designers, motion graphics artists who understands branding and storytelling. The more cross-functional you are, the more valuable you become. Today, companies aren't just trying to hire designers with knowledge and tools. They want something more. They want storytellers who can shape perception. They want problem solvers who can understand customer behavior. And they're looking for brand builders who can bring idea to life with impact. At WebD School, this has always been our belief. Design isn't just what we teach, it's who we are. From the way we craft our branding to how we design our courses and student experiences, design thinking is at the heart of everything. Now we are doubling down on UX UI, motion graphics and AI-powered designing because the future demands it. To all the designers and design aspirants out there, don't fear AI, embrace it. Don't stay stuck, adapt and upskill. Don't just focus on tools, build strategy, depth and storytelling. AI might replicate skills, but it can never replace your creativity. The future of design is changing fast. It's time you shift your mindset and redesign your story.